back to collections. So as I was talking about before, they live in one place, but for my demo purposes here, I have collections of images that I want to use. So we're going to be talking about these later. These are in my auto tone collection. In my brush tone collection, we have a picture of this woman. Graduated filter we have here. Lens correction we have here. So this image is appearing in 2 collections. And this image is in another collection of presets. So you can see one image can belong to more than one. So on my main catalog, I have a huge number of collections depending on the work that I'm doing. You can make portfolios, your best wedding images, or your best travel images, or your best New York scenics, or whatever it might be, and you can make a collection.
How do you actually do that, make that collection?
So if you want to, let's go back to the grid, and we'll go to all of the images. Let's just make one called Skyline. So I'm going to pick this image, and I'm going to highlight this image with a command click. So I got these highlighted. If we go to the collections panel, you click on the plus sign, and you do create collection. And then you give it a name. And so we'll just call it Skylines. And you can choose if you want it to be inside a collection set or not. Sometimes, like if I make a collection for a client, I would have the client's name, and then I would have, like, if it was a wedding, I would have main album, bride's parents album, and groom's parents album. Those can be separate collections. So I just know which images are going into which. And you have a checkbox here that I have checked now because I want to include these selected photos. And when I create the collection, these images are going to be added to that collection.